Hey guys, today we're taking a look at a cordless lithium battery hedge trimmer. This is from DocSmart. That's who sent this over to me to do a little unboxing and try it out and let you know what I think about it. So stick around and we're going to get that done. Have our user manual here and some screws and a screwdriver here. So it looks like some assembly will be required. Yeah, I see a handle right here. We will have to put the handle on there. We have our AC charger. Two 18.5 volt 2000 milliamp batteries. 37 watt hours. Got two of those. So they should keep us going for quite a while. Maybe longer than we want to. But anyway, comes with some very colorful gloves here. Safety glasses. Something. We'll find out in a moment. And our very long bladed trimmer. Now that ought to get some work done, boy. It's fairly heavy duty. Nice sized trimmer for sure. Is rotatable. Check that out. Isn't that cool? So if you need to go up on the side, or if you're just going across the top, whatever, we'll get in the right position for you. Now this has a 1000 watt brushless motor in it, so it should have ample power to do pretty much any job that you would need to get done. Really nice blade. That blade is well, it's actually about 20 and a half, so I guess they're going to call it a 20-inch blade. Man, that is a humdinger of a hedge trimmer, I tell you. Anyway, let's get the handle put on here, then we'll get the batteries charged up, and then we'll try it out. Okay, this is going to be a guard. Okay, it has some little grooves. You're going to slide that into position here, just like so. Then we'll put a screw on each side. I'm going to put that blade guard back on there. I don't want to scratch my table up here. There we go. Okay, got that on there. Next step will be to put our handle on here. Kind of pull it apart, get it slid into position there, and it should go right on in there. Then we'll put the screws in here. There we go. Let's just stick a battery on here real quick. Just for the fun of it. You're just going to take that battery, slide it on, pretty much like all power tools. Really cool. Has a safety switch right here. You got it on both sides. So if you push it that way, or if you're operating it left-handed, you can push it that way. Here's those safety switches I was talking about, and just push it to either side. And right up here is the button that you push to turn it, like that. It'll lock into place. Just like that. And our batteries do have a button on here to see how much power you have in that battery. Almost fully charged on that one. That one as well. We're going to get them fully charged though. Okay, I am going to get the battery off here. Put our blade guard back on here. When you get ready to charge your batteries, you'll notice it has a little hole here on the end. That is going to just plug in just like that. And of course you'll plug that into your AC outlet. But we're going to get these batteries charged up completely and give it a chance to quit raining, and then we're going to get out there and give it a try. So stick around. Well, it did a real good job on that bush right there. Now let's try these down here and see how well it works. Now it wouldn't cut through this right here. Had to use a little chainsaw. But all this small stuff like that, it'll do it easily. All right, well there you have it. It did a great job. You can take off the new growth real easy. It'll cut up to about a 1/2 inch around. Anything bigger than that, it struggles. You might need a little cutter or a little handsaw or a little chainsaw, which I'll put a link to one of those in the description. And as far as the battery life goes, I've been cutting since yesterday, and this battery is still going strong. It's down to 2 bars right here. It's got a little indicator right here that'll let you know. Had to stop yesterday due to storms, but batteries will last a while, it seems. Does a great job. No complaints. Thumbs up. I like it. If you want to check this out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check this playlist out right over here. Might be something in there that perks your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.